We are given two circles with radius 5m and a square is placed between them. We are to find the area of the square. Can you solve it? Now let's get started. Step 1, let us label the square. So let this side of the square be x. So the area of this square will be x squared. Step 2, drawing helpful lines. So let us begin to draw lines that will help us to solve the problem. So draw a radius from the center of this circle to the point where the square touches it. Draw another radius from the center to the tangent. This is the touching point and it is a right angle. Since these two lines are radii, each equals to 5. Draw a line from the touching point of the square in such a way that it is parallel to the ground. This will also be a right angle. Call this y. Take note, this small part equals to the length of the square. So it will also be x. The full distance is the radius 5. So the remaining piece is 5 minus x. Since we have a right triangle, let us use Pythagoras theorem to find a relation between x and y. So this will be bracket of 5 minus x squared plus y squared equals to 5 squared. When we simplify, we'll have 25 plus x squared minus 10x plus y squared equals to 25. So 25 cancelled out. When we rearrange, we have y squared equals to 10x minus x squared. So let's take the square root on both sides. So we get y equals to the square root of 10x minus x squared. Next, let us make other construction lines. Let us put this here and let us duplicate this y here. Here comes the trick. This distance will also be equal to this distance. So we get y plus x plus y equals to 5 plus 5. So when we add them, we have 2y plus x equals to 10. Now let us substitute y that we got, that was y equals to root 10x minus x squared. So when we substitute, we have 2 root 10x minus x squared plus x equals to 10. Now let's go ahead and solve for x. Let us subtract x from both sides. We will have 2 root 10x minus x squared equals to 10 minus x. Let us square both sides. So when we square both sides, the square root is cancelled out and the answer is 40 bracket 10x minus x squared bracket equals to 100 plus x squared minus 20x. So when we open up the bracket on this side, we are going to have to move the expression to the left. So when we move the expression to the left, we have this, and then we have to collect like terms. When we collect like terms, we have this. Now let us divide both sides. When we divide both sides, we have 12x minus x squared minus 20 equals to 0. Now let us change the sign. When we change the sign, we have this, and let's reorder the terms. When we reorder the terms, we have x squared minus 12x plus 20 equals to 0. Now let us factor the expression. When we factor out the expression, we have this. So let's separate into possible cases. So when we separate into possible cases, we have x minus 2 equals to 0, x minus 10 equals to 0. Now, finally, we have x equals to 2 and x equals to 10. So we have two solutions for that problem. So here, we can see that these radius are 5. So there's no way x can be 10. So we are going to discard that one. So the answer here is x equals to 2. X equals to 2 is a valid solution. If x equals to 2, then the area of this square will be 2 raised to the power of 2, which is equals to 4. Finally, the area of the square is 4. If you have gained value in this lesson, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.